Ladies and gentlemen, telescopes are supposed to observe quietly, passively, respectfully. They look, they record, they don't ask questions. Until one day, a telescope looked at the universe and saw something it absolutely was not supposed to see. Today's episode is called The Telescope That Saw Something It Wasn't Supposed to, and the panic? Immediate. Telescopes are nosy. Telescopes are basically cosmic stalkers. They stare, they zoom, they enhance, they look where humans physically cannot, and most of the time that's fine, until it isn't. A normal night of observation. This started as a routine observation. Calibrations done, targets selected, coffee brewed. Nobody was expecting surprises. That was mistake number one. The first strange signal. Then something appeared. Not dramatic, not glowing, just wrong. A signal where there shouldn't be one. A structure where chaos was expected. Scientist, that's odd. Odd is the gateway drug to panic. Check the instrument. First response, instrument error. They recalibrate, reset, double check. The signal stays. Now it's personal. Move the telescope. They move the telescope. Different angle, different time, different filter. Still there. That's when the room changes. Silence. You know that silence. The one where nobody wants to speak because saying it out loud makes it real. What it looked like. They won't say exactly what it looked like, but descriptions included words like structured, consistent, unnatural. Those are bad space words. Science hates unnatural. Science loves patterns, but only the approved ones. When something looks designed, scientists get nervous. Denial speedrun. Denial hits fast. Cosmic dust, gravitational lensing, data artifact. They throw every explanation at it. The signal refuses to leave. Why this is terrifying? Because telescopes don't imagine things. They collect photons, cold, objective, unemotional. If it sees something, it's because light says it's there. The email no one wants to send. There is always an email. Subject, unusual observation. Please review. Translation, please tell me I'm wrong. Other scientists look. Other teams review the data. Same conclusion. Silence spreads. The question, nobody asks. Nobody says the word. They don't say aliens. They say interesting, which is worse. Why this doesn't go public? Because the internet would implode. Headlines, conspiracies, TikToks with red arrows. Scientists said, let's sit with this. What science does next? They observe more. They wait. They gather evidence. Because extraordinary claims require unbearable patience. The most annoying possibility. It's natural. Just rare. Just weird. Just badly understood. The universe trolling it. But what if it isn't? And this is where everyone stops breathing. What if it isn't natural? What if it's intentional? Nope. Stop. Back to math. Scientists versus imagination. Scientists train their whole lives to suppress imagination. Moments like this test that discipline. The telescope doesn't care. The telescope keeps watching, unbothered, unaware, still staring. It did its job. Humans are the ones spiraling. Why this matters? Because observation changes us. The universe didn't change. We did. Final rant. We think we're ready for answers. We are not. We panic at patterns. We freak out at silence. We lose our minds over anomalies. So here's to the telescope that saw something it wasn't supposed to. Not because it broke the rules, but because it reminded us how small our rule book really is.